pwedeng doon lumabas.
Ay, hindi ko lang sure kung ilan.
Feeling ko food yun, yung eco bag.
Na ito.
Ate, videoan mo natin. I-video ko na.
Pero yung mga lalaki nyo eh. Subaybay.
Bye-bye ko naman.
Alam mo
Wala
na
na.
may bayad.
Kainis eh. Hi! Galing ko na lang. Hello po.
Oo, sige. Kaya lang.
Sorry, yan lang yung akin.
Okay lang yan, talaga food.
Ay, wait. May madadaganan sa'yo.
Seti, tingin ka para may pang-content ako. Ang sakit! Explain mo kung anong ginagawa natin.
Ang ginagawa po natin ay pinipick up po natin sila Ate Lori. Yay!
Zoom ka.
Sa ulap,
Panday ko yan.
Hindi na makain sa likod?
Ikaw, ulo ka po ba dyan?
Di ba ka maiwan ko tong pole? Oh my gosh. May pole. Hi, hi kayo sa vlog ko.
Si Dayday,
Hello po.
si Doc Ella, si Brother Mark,
Kay Hawig
si Seti,
Ano po
Tsaka si
mismo
JK.
po name nyo?
Claudette po.
Claudette. Ah, okay. Mapapa-English tayo. Eh, foreigner tayong kasama. Oo, si Shim. Shim yun.
Siya. Alam ko pa may exit.
Oo nga, ito eh. Nakita ko.
Iba yun! Iba yun!
Oo, kulay. Ay, hagdan? Hagdan ba yan?
Hagdang-hagdang pala yan.
Good guys, SMBC.
Oh,
Maraming beses na kitang nilayasan, iniwanan na tahan. Parang babaeng ang hirap talagang malimutan. Ikaw lamang ang aking laging binabalikan.
blink.
Is it nice?
Edit niyo yan, ha?
Siyempre, kukuha lang kami. Kailangan kami sisipag yung mag-edit.
Patingin nga, Lori.
Ari ko.
Yeah, nilalamig po siya. May blush.
Ate.
Ayan, video ako picture. May bata po ditong ano.
Video.
Say hi to the vlog.
Tangi, where are we?
Ang lamig. Grabe eh.
Tangi, where are we? We are
Ano?
Ano?
in the carrot valley. Carrot.
Wow!
Ay, gusto ko.
Ay, gusto. yung ano mo, yung pinagpapraktisan mo kanina pa.
Ang galing ng driver natin.
Oo.
Sobrang ano niya mag-drive. Sobrang smooth niya mag-drive. English mo para maintindihan niya. Our driver is a smooth driver. Sweet lang.
So gentle.
Yeah, so he drove really smoothly. That's why my sleep is,
So very well.
yeah, it's pretty good.
Sleep. Uy, grabe.
Naka-video, yeah.
Pwede na ba yung It's beautiful? Ha? Ready na ako.
Hi, this is Sabrina from Singapore.
Parang hindi so sure ah.
This is Doc Ella from Santo Tomas. St. Thomas.
Saint Thomas or God?
JK.
Uy.
I'm Rosette from Calamba.
Calamba. It's
Calamba.
Kalama.
I'm Cloud from St. Nicholas.
Saint Nicholas.
We're here in Canada.
Hey, pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
What can you say about Pulag? First impression.
Wala pa po. Lamig.
Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night. Forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say.
How about
shirt pa siya
how
eh.
about the sunset you've seen?
Hindi mo makita yung daliri ko. No? Pero
Say hi to our friend.
Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say, 'cause I don't think you're here to stay. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna
Because I think people are still up.
yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
See you next November.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night. Forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying. Trying to be real, but you seem so fake. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way.
Letting Sabrina try some Filipino food snacks. Yeah. I will video her. And then that's right. Yeah. Okay, I will open it.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
ko kaya na ng isa. Ikaw ba? Hindi ka na mag-aad.
Dalawa akin, may isa akong extra.
Pero tingnan mo to, ito. Yung loob niya ganyan.
Hindi ate, promise, nung nag-gloves ako doon. Ikaw ba nung nag-gloves
Wala
ka
akong
dun?
gloves.
Ate, magsasara na yung tinda.
Sinisip ko. Kuya, wait lang po.
Sorry.
Ang kapal naman sobra.
Manny Pacquiao! On the right, Pulag! Sayo ka. Is a baggy jeans. Baggy jeans. Baggy.
Uy, grabe.
Ano video?
Pwede na ba? It's beautiful. Ha? Ready na ako.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity.